Hola, buenos dias. I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today I'm going to be reviewing this lovely Airbnb in Lanzarote, Spain, specifically Charco de Palo. So this is just a little preview of the Airbnb, but just wait until I turn around. It's a beautiful view. And just behind this wall are mountains, big hills. Alright, so let me show you the house. Alright, so this is the porch, balcony area. Got two sun chairs, a table and chairs to sit out in. And now we'll go inside. My lovely associate Will. Alright, so this is the living room. Got a table, TV, Wi-Fi, some insect repellent, couch, drying rack, umbrella for the table outside, couch, lamp, chairs. Then we'll move into the little hallway. We have a bathroom directly to the right. It's the bathroom, a shower, a nice hot water. Okay, and this is one of the bedrooms. We got two beds, closet, nice view outside. You can still see beautiful water. And this is the other room, and this is a big single bed. Oh, almost forgot my deodorant. Got a mirror, two bedside lights, and this bedroom also has the beautiful view. The sun rises right over here. We got to watch the sunrise this morning. It was really pretty. And the sun will peek through this window in the morning. Some closet space. And then in here, this is the kitchen. Got mini fridge. The rubbish is under here. Mop if you need it. Got all the utensils, pots and pans, stove, sink. This Airbnb has been equipped with the simple and necessities you may need. Microwave. So that's the kitchen. We have been staying here for the weekend, and I specifically picked this place for the view. I'm one who enjoys views. I need to be by agua. And right here in this community, it's also a nudist community. So found that out upon arrival. There's a pool right here, clothing optional, and in this lovely neighborhood. So this Charco de Palo is about 20 to 30 minutes from the airport, but it was really easy to get a taxi here. And although we are not in the center where everything is going on, this neighborhood, there's still 3 restaurants you could go to, there's a supermarket, so if you didn't plan on going into town, it is easy to find food within the right hours, of course, and hoping there's no holidays, so you can still, you know, fuel up while you're here. And we went into the city, into the town, the first day, and it was nice, but then the rest of the time we just stayed here, honestly just enjoying. Also the other day we just went for a walk. I'll put in the clips after this, and you could just follow, I mean, you could go walk that way, you could go walk that way, and just lots of nature views, which is exactly what I was hoping for during this weekend. Well, that was the view of the lovely Airbnb. Maybe you will come visit in Lanzarote, in Charco de Palo. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll be seeing you on my next adventures. Hasta luego! Peace, love, good vibes, y'all.